Alright, so now that I got the engine out of the Blazer here, I've got my engine stand in here. So I'm gonna get it up onto the engine stand, start pulling the accessories off, and then I can start cleaning it and getting it ready for paint. And then once the gaskets and stuff show up, I'm gonna throw those on. So I'm not gonna like go into the motor really. I'm not gonna do anything with the bottom end. I'm just gonna pretty much just do gaskets and seals and stuff like that just to give it a refresh. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of a voiceover here because I realized I didn't do much explaining. So right now I'm just pulling off all the accessories on the motor and getting it all ready for cleaning and painting. So right here I'm just taking off the exhaust manifolds, and I'm going to pull off the alternator bracket here, and it just makes it so much easier to get to everything and wash it off and get painting, because all of this stuff doesn't need to get painted. I'm still learning the whole YouTube thing and how to explain myself on camera. It's very difficult to do if you've never done it before, so hopefully I can do better at it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, so thank you for watching.
No, now you made it pee. Good going.
Okay, so I basically got everything off of the motor, and I got all of the holes plugged up and taped off. So any vent, vacuum holes, coolant doesn't matter as much because you're spraying it down with water, so it won't be a big deal, but I blocked them anyway just for fun so dirt and stuff doesn't get into them. And then just shoved rags or napkins into the exhaust ports, and then wash it down, and then
It'll be all pretty and shiny?
no, it'll still look like a piece of crap, but then we'll paint it and then it'll look pretty and shiny.
And then it will look pretty and shiny?
So you always want to wait until it's just about freezing until you wash it, so it really helps. Alright, well, we're probably going to go to the store and get some more oven cleaner, a couple better brushes, and the sun's just going down, so we're going to finish this tomorrow because it's starting to get cold. Okay, well, we didn't get it quite cleaned up last night, but we got some more just oven grill cleaner, purple power, and brushes. So we're just gonna get it the rest of the way cleaned up, and I got my brother helping again today, so
Moldy.
Moldy.
No bubbly white work looks good.
And you got let that soak in for a little bit.
Yeah.
And then start scrubbing her.
So we've got the oven cleaner on there. It says to wait 40 minutes, but we're gonna wait like 10 minutes maybe.
10-15, yeah.
Yeah. But so we're gonna paint the block orange, the intake manifold orange, valve covers, oil pan, and like accessory parts is all gonna be black. So
Yep, and then you're gonna
I think
have
it'll
a
look pretty
chromed out timing cover.
Oh yeah, and the only timing cover I could find is chrome, so this part's gonna be chrome, I guess. So, which it's fine. It's behind everything, and
Yeah, it'll literally be like behind the water pump, and like you'll barely even be able to see it.
So I couldn't get this off yet. We need to go rent a puller for that. It's almost ready to. Okay, so now that we got all the oven cleaner off, now we're gonna go through with some purple power. It's just degreaser cleaner, and just spot clean everything that still needs to be cleaned. Spray it off again with the hose, and then dry it off and start masking it up for paint.
I get right in. I think this stuff's like satisfying to like watch. Just like scrubbing a block and then washing it so the dirt come off.
Should be pretty clean after this point. Got it. Okay, so we got it all cleaned up pretty well. Now we're just gonna let it dry while we go get some lunch because it is lunchtime right now.
Little hungry.
Yeah. So went down and rented a tool from AutoZone so I can pull this balancer off here. I'm just getting everything all masked up and ready for paint. All right, so we got it all cleaned up and masked up, and we're gonna start spraying it. So just shaking up the can, prep work. Ran Scotch-Brite over it as well, just as an extra measure.
You can also use this wax and tar remover.
And then we got some wrinkle black for the valve covers. I was just gonna spray it with black, but I'm like, no. I go with the wrinkle. Gotta get the wrinkles.
All right, he's over there finishing up the block. I'm gonna throw some gloss black on this crank pulley here, and it's gonna look sick.
So we got the block all painted up. So now we pulled the valve covers off and we're gonna spray them with some wrinkle black paint. So with this wrinkle black, when it goes down, it looks smooth. You just want to get it on there as thick as you can without making it run for the best results. So we got it all painted and we started taking the masking tape off, and sometimes you just gotta step back and, you know, say, would you look at that? So we're just staring at it now and imagining once we get all the other parts on. We're getting a new cover for this that's gonna be chrome. Getting yellow spark plug wires, the black valve covers. We're gonna paint the oil pan black. And it's gonna look really good. And just so you guys know, we are buying new spark plugs. We are not using these ones. Okay, so in today's video, we got it all painted up and ready to go. I wanted to get more done today, but I am waiting on parts. So I have a lot of parts coming for this. Like gaskets, seals. I'm putting new timing chain and stuff into it. A new timing chain cover, spark plug wires, spark plugs, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, all of that stuff will be in the next video. Or either the next video or the video after that will be rebuilding this. And then we will have another video of swapping this motor into the Blazer. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was enjoyable. This one on the motor, but at least it looks really pretty now. So that's the important thing.